Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead here on ArkleTexHomepage.com as well as the ArkleTexHomepage.com app. And as we look at the weather pattern, put it into motion for you, you can see the upper level trough, which continues to affect our weather here, keeping temperatures near normal during the day and below normal at night. As I mentioned yesterday, we're now on the dry side of this trough circulation, and as a result, we are looking at lots of sunshine here during the course of the next couple of days. But eventually, the northern part of this trough is going to move out, but we will be left with a little bit of a weakness here across the lower Mississippi Valley, which could give us just very small rainfall chances as we look ahead of the weekend. Here's a look at how this will play out as we move forward in time here. You can see that ridge over the western sections of the country, keeping the west hot. You can see that trough lifting up, but notice still a bit of a weakness here. You can see how the upper level winds will be moving going forward, and what's left of that trough will be situated right over the Arklatex here heading into Sunday. So Sunday, maybe Saturday, very low end rainfall chances, 10-20% at best. You can see the upper level ridge tries to center itself a little bit further to the northeast, and that's going to eventually work to heat us up as we move into the first part of next week. And then we'll see another disturbance to the northwest, perhaps dig another trough across the northeastern half of the country late next week, which could bring us our next chance of rain. Rainfall potential here, not much going forward. You can see this particular model indicating that slight chance for the hit or miss stuff for Saturday and Sunday and perhaps even Monday, but our next best chance may likely hold off until the middle, if not last half of next week. And you can see well below normal rainfall anticipated here during the course of the next 7 days. As far as Futurecast, looking at Robin Cellular Futurecast, you can see tonight looking at another clear sky across the region as we go through the nighttime hours tonight. Notice you don't see many arrows there. It tells you that the wind will be relatively calm. So we have the dry air in place, clear sky, no wind, perfect conditions to allow temperatures to drop back into the 60s tonight. Going through the daytime hours tomorrow, we'll see a continuation of that northeasterly wind, keeping the Gulf of Mexico closed, so expect lots of sunshine once again tomorrow. Tomorrow night, looking at a mostly clear sky, and once again, relatively light wind, relatively dry air in place. Temperatures likely again will dip down into the 60s for Thursday night and Friday morning. And then Friday, we'll see again a mix of clouds and sunshine. Nothing really too much to worry about as far as rainfall for Friday. But these clouds off to our east, those are associated with what's left of that upper level system, which could bring us low end rainfall chances for the weekend. Meantime, enjoy the next couple of mornings as we'll see lows in the low to middle 60s across the Arklatex, looking at 67 in Shreveport, 64 for the nighttime low tonight in Texarkana. Could see some upper 50s in spots, 60 in Idabel, 61, the cool spots tonight in the Queen. As far as daytime highs tomorrow, look for readings to climb into the low to middle 90s, 91 degrees in Hope, 92 in Atlanta, 94 degrees in Shreveport, 91 also for the high temperature tomorrow in Texarkana. And these readings, northern half of the area still a little bit below normal, but southern half of the area, temperatures returning to what we typically see for this time of the year. So here are the details in your 7-day forecast. Start you off with Shreveport, and you can see temperatures, daytime highs basically in the mid-90s in the week ahead, nighttime lows looking at temperatures for the most part upper 60s, perhaps low 70s heading into next week, with again our next best shot for some rainfall as we look ahead to at least beginning at the middle of next week is when that chance of rain may see a little bit of an uptick. As far as Texarkana, you're looking at temperatures that will also eventually return to normal, with highs climbing back up into the mid-90s, right around 96, 97 for Monday, Tuesday. Your nighttime lows, 60s for the next several nights, should warm back into the mid-70s by the time we get into the middle part of next week. So it looks like after a break from the intense heat, we're gradually going to see those temperatures rise during the day, and the next couple of mornings looking pretty nice with lows in the 60s.